Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can blur a moving face in Kinemaster application. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a project in my Kinemaster application and I'm going to blur this girl's face. I'm going to blur it. And if we want to blur a moving face, first of all, we need to add blur effect to our video. You can tap on the layer and then select effect. Okay, and go to the basic effect and I'm going to choose this one. Okay, tap on the effect and you can adjust the size like this, and to make it more blur you can go to the setting. Right, you can tap on the blur effect and then you're going to go to the properties and you can increase the blur strength like that. I'm going to make it super blur like this, and I'm going to make it align with my video. Okay, and I'm going to change the shape guys. We can go to the shape and I'm gonna go with the circle shape. Okay, and to make this blur effect follow the moving object, we can apply animation. You can click on the blur and then you're going to add animation. Right, okay, this is the animation and we can add it one by one just like that. It's like a keyframe guys. Okay, you can adjust the position like this until the moving face fully covered by this blur effect. Okay, now it's done and this is the final result. Wait, I'm going to play it. All right. Okay guys, and that's how we can blur a moving face in Kinemaster. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.